So Maria, so you're gonna see it on your work order. It's gonna change from the 6 areas to the 8 areas for 400.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
No problem. You're welcome.
Well, you know, that's good because they're gonna check they have to turn the receipt into them.
Yep.
So that's good because that way if they ask, that way it's.
And you'll see, yep, and they'll see exactly 8 areas.
That's good. So.
You're welcome. All righty. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Cleaners. What is up, guys? Today is December the 11th. I'm on my first job of today. This is a new customer that found me on Google. She's moving out of the home. And just want to give you guys some tips. I talked to a cleaner this morning, gave him some tips. He's a portable cleaner. And one thing I told him, the best thing to do on any job, especially when you're doing like residential, is to always map out the job in your head when you're doing the walkthrough with the customer. So that way you're basically planning how you're going to tackle or execute the job beforehand. So this job right here, guys, is a total of 8 areas. She's moving out. And when I got here, she had 6 areas. I'm going to tell you guys why we added 2 more areas. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. As you guys see, the carpets are in great condition. This is 4. Living room, dining room combo makes 5, 6. This is 7. And the stairs going down to the basement makes 8, okay? So with that being said, guys, is that she had 2 staircases. She said, Courtney, I really don't know if the staircases need to be done. Okay, it's $50 per staircase. But like I told her, she's moving out. And dealing with property management companies, they can be very picky when it comes to walking through the house, making sure that the house is in order. And sometimes they can look for the smallest things not to give a customer their deposit back. So I told her, I said, it's my advice, and being in this industry, property management companies will try to find the smallest things not to, or thing not to give you your money back. So you have to ask yourself, spending that extra $100 to clean 2 flights of stairs, would it make you more comfortable getting your deposit back? Or are you willing to risk that, all the work that you put into the house, getting it back in order, all the money that you spent putting into the house, so you can get your deposit back? Is it worth $100? And I basically asked her that just like that, gave her time to think about it, okay? And she said, you know what, Courtney, you're right. Let's just go ahead and do the stairs. So that easy, guys. So like I was telling the cleaner this morning, a lot of it is psychological. A lot of it is how you mentally connect with the customer, okay? And that's why a lot of us, you know, like myself, that's why I can't work for certain people, or I'm not willing to work for certain people, because mentally we're not on the same page. No matter how I explain it to them, no matter how I try to break it down, they're not going to see what I see. So this customer, she was able to see what I was talking about. Okay, you know what, Courtney, you have a good point. You know, all this work that I'm doing, I'm here cleaning the house. I'm paying you already $300 to clean the carpets. But you know what, you're right. Let's go ahead and do the stairs, because that $100 not cleaning the stairs can cost her, I mean, what, $1,500 deposit. So that's how I like to connect with my customers, my clients. And also too, like I was telling the guy earlier, is mapping out the job. When you get to a job, you should always evaluate the job. But as you're evaluating the job, you actually seeing how you're going to plan and do this job, because it's going to make the process a whole lot easier. Like for example, since I have a truck mount, when I walk to the customer's front door, you know, the first thing I'm looking for, guys, I'm looking for the water spigot. Okay, and usually how most houses are, at least in Georgia, it's either going to be front or back or side to side. Okay, like my house, my spigots are on each side of the house, but like here, you see behind me, these houses, they're on the front and back. Okay, so the first thing I do when I walk into the front door, I'm looking for the water spigot. Now when I go to crank up my machine and start hooking my hoses up, I already know where the water spigot is, so now I don't have to go spending 2 or 3 minutes looking for it. I already know where it is. So just a little few tips I want to give you guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get my sealer door put up, get my corner guards put up. I know exactly how many corner guards I need. I pull my vacuum, treat, extract, I'm done. All right, so all right, Cleaners Connect, Cleaners Elite, just a little message for you guys. See y'all in the next one.